welcome to another biology class with Oluwole Aramide Pilisumi. In this video, we'll be talking about the mammalian heart. The mammalian heart is an organ that pumps blood around the body, and it is located in the thoracic cavity, in between the lungs, at the back of the breastbone, that is the sternum. The mammalian heart, it is divided into four chambers. It has four chambers, that is the right auricles and the left auricles, and the right ventricles and the left ventricles. The main function of the auricles is to receive blood from other parts of the body, while the ventricles pump blood out of the heart. The right auricles receive blood from the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava and inferior vena cavas. So blood comes in through these veins. There are veins, and the blood that comes through these veins are deoxygenated blood. That is, they contains no oxygen. So the blood from the right auricles during diastole, that is the contraction of the auricles, we move to the ventricles. Then in between the auricle, the right auricles and the right ventricles, we have a valve. We have a valve called tricuspid valve. There is a valve called tricuspid valve. The function of this valve is to prevent backflow of blood during systole, that is the contraction of the ventricles, when it is pumping blood out of the heart. The blood comes out through the pulmonary arteries, and this artery takes the blood to the lungs to go and take up oxygen, from the lungs. And once oxygen are taken up from the lungs, it comes back to the heart through the pulmonary vein. The blood from the lungs, which are already oxygenated, come back to the left auricles, and the same way the blood goes into the ventricles, that is the diastole, same thing happens, and it goes into the left ventricles. And systoles also happen, that is the contraction of the ventricles. The blood moves out into the aorta. And this is the arteries that supplies blood to all parts of the body. Also, in between the left auricles and the left ventricles is the bicuspid valve, which performs the same function as the tricuspid valve, that is prevention of backflow of blood. Also, we need to note that the wall of the ventricles is bigger than the wall of the auricles. This is because the ventricles pump blood around the body and they need much pressure. So much pressure are applied at the ventricles. This is all about the heart. We have talked about the four chambers of the heart, the right auricles and the left auricles, also the right ventricles and the left ventricles. But we also talk about the valves which prevent the backflow of blood, and also the superior vena and the inferior vena cava, the right auricles, also the pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins receive blood from the lungs, and pulmonary arteries take blood